In today's lesson, we're going to use a website called Dr. Frost Maths to complete a remote learning summary of the work you've completed over the last 6 weeks. I've put a link to this website within the task on Show My Homework so you can get easy access to it. Now, to log in, you need to use your school email address. That is your username, which you use to get into the school computers at ucc.rutland.sch.uk. You do not need to type a password initially, just simply hit login and you'll be taken to the following page where you can set a new password. It's really important that you pick a password that you're going to remember. Once you've chosen it, hit submit and it will take you to the Dr. Frost website with you logged in. To access the worksheet that you need to complete, at the very top tab you need to click on Work Set. The left hand side shows you all of the tasks that you've completed previously, plus any tasks that are due for you to complete. To start the task, you need to click on it and then hit Start this homework. This page tells you what the completion criteria is and if there's a time limit on you answering any of the questions. It also recommends some videos to consider watching before you start, however you do get access to all of these when you start answering the questions. So when we hit start, we've begun the task. The question appears on the left hand side and you have some working out space on the right to help you if you need to. If you are struggling with any of the questions, you can get video help on this topic by clicking the link in the top left corner. This is what it looks like when you do this. You can simply hit play on the video, watch how to do it, and then hit the X to close and resume your question whenever you're done.
Hello and welcome to this video on adding whole numbers. Now the key to adding numbers when we have more than one digit in each.
In this first question, I'm asked to work out 32 add 60. I can obviously use the working out space on the right hand side to help me do this. So 32 and 60 added together, or 2 and 0 is 2, 3 and 6 is 9, so that gives me an answer of 92. I simply type it in, hit submit answer, and it will tell you whether you've got it right or wrong. You can hit next question. This loads up my second question that I can then have a go at working out. So this one says 30 take away 14. Again, I can use the space on the right hand side to help me work this out. So I can borrow from the 3, 10 take away 4 is 6, 2 take away 1 is 1, so my final answer is 16. So I type it in, hit submit, and it tells me that I've got it correct again. If at this point I click continue later, it takes me back to the home page and I need to go back to work set, click on my task and continue the homework to start again from wherever I got up to. Now you don't have to use this right hand side working out space if you don't need to, and it might be you use a bit of paper in front of you to work out your answers instead. Now you actually get 2 attempts to get the question right. So let's say for example I misread this and instead of doing 12 times 12 I work out 12 add 12 and I put my answer as 24. When I hit submit I get a little pop-up. This is telling me that I haven't quite got the answer right and I should consider another answer. So simply hit the X and try again. On my second attempt I can type in the correct answer of 144, hit submit, and you can see it tells me that I got it correct. Again, 99 divided by 11, I know the answer is 9, so I can type it in and hit submit. And let's have a look at what happens if I actually get the answer wrong twice. I know that -3 take away another 6 would give me -9. So instead, let's say the answer is 9. The little pop-up comes up to say that I should try again. So this time I can say the difference between 3 and 6 is 3, so that's going to be my answer. Again, I submit it. This time it says that I'm incorrect. You get 2 attempts at answering each question, and after that you'll have to move on. Now that I've done, I can hit finish. It tells you your overall score, and that is submitted and saved to me. Again, if you want to see how you've got on, you can click on work set and all of your results will load on the left hand side. You can click on individual tasks to see what the question were, what your answer was, and what the correct answer should have been. So what I'd like you to do is log into Dr. Frost. Remember, your email should look like this: your username at ucc.rutland.sch.uk. Once you've logged in, you should complete the task that I've set for you, which is a remote learning summary of the work you've completed over the last 6 weeks. When you've answered all of the questions, your score will automatically be saved and sent to me. If you're having any trouble logging in at all, then please send me a comment on Show My Homework and I'll try and assist. Once you've finished the task that's been set for you, I strongly recommend having a look around this website and seeing what other facilities it has that might help you with your maths. If you are struggling to complete some of the work from today's lesson, then please do not hesitate to get in touch via comment on Show My Homework. I'll try to make myself as available as possible and get a reply to you as quickly as I can. If the issue requires a little bit more input from myself, I might ask to arrange a time to meet on Teams where I can give you some personalised help with that specific problem.